Shape of methane molecule. In methane, the central carbon atom is covalently linked to 4 hydrogen atoms and thus possess 4 bond pairs. These pairs repel one another to a maximum possible extent. As a result, they got oriented at an angle of 109 degree 28 minutes. Fill in the blank question. In methane, what is the angle between the carbon hydrogen? Then the carbon atom is situated at the center of the regular tetrahedron, while the 4 hydrogen atoms occupy their positions at its 4 vertices. This is the diagrammatic representation which you already know. Carbon occupies the position at the center. Carbon hydrogen, carbon hydrogen, carbon hydrogen, carbon hydrogen. 4 bond pairs are for methane. Other examples are silicon tetrafluoride, silicon hydride, and ammonium. These are the examples for bond pair. That means only bond pair present in it. Therefore, the repulsion is due to only bond pair repulsion. Now we are going to study about the lone pair and bond pair. If it is in a molecule, if there is a lone pair and a bond pair, what will be the effect? Molecules containing both lone pairs and bond pairs. Shape of ammonia molecule. In ammonia molecule, the central nitrogen atom, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Possess 5 valence electrons. That means from 2s2 onwards, 2 plus 3, 5 valence electron. It shares its, that means 3 p orbitals, that means px, py, pz electron with 3 hydrogen atoms and forms 3 nitrogen-hydrogen bond. That is a bond pair. After the bond formation, the central nitrogen atom is left with a lone pair. Means the 2s2 electron is not taking part at all in the bond formation. Thus, in all, the nitrogen atom possesses 1 lone pair and 3 bond pairs. That means in a nitrogen molecule, the one lone pair is there, and the 3 bonds with hydrogen. 1, 2, 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. Fill in the blank question. In ammonia, dash the bond pairs and dash the number of lone pairs. Any number can be given in the bracket. If you know the answer, you can correctly select it. Now this is the diagrammatic representation. It is a regular tetrahedral structure and one position is occupied by the lone pair and the other 3 are occupied by the hydrogen. Because of the distortion of this lone pair, we learned that the lone pair bond pair repulsion is more than the bond pair repulsion. Because of this repulsion only, the angle 109 degree and 28 minutes is reduced to 107 degree. Give reason question can be asked. Why in ammonia, even though it is an sp3 hybridization, the angle is only 107 degree? Give reason. These 4 pairs of valence electron, 1 lone pair and the 3 bond pairs repel each other and acquire a tetrahedral geometry in the space. Thus ammonia molecule acquires a tetrahedral geometry. Shape of ammonia molecule. Fill in the blank question or choose the correct answer. What is the shape of ammonia molecule? The nitrogen atom lies at the center while the 3 hydrogen at the 3 corners of the regular tetrahedron. The 4th corner of the tetrahedron is occupied by the lone pair of electron. With the help of diagram, explain the shape of ammonia molecule. 5 marks question. Therefore, all the details and the type of bond, type of repulsion, why it is reduced from 109 degree 28 minutes to 107 degree, all this to be explained. Due to the presence of a lone pair of electrons on the central nitrogen atom, the tetrahedral geometry of ammonia molecule gets slightly distorted. Fill in the blank question. And this sentence can be given and asked, give reason. In a tetrahedral geometry, the usual bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. But in ammonia molecule, hydrogen bond angle is found to be equal to 107 degree. Why? That is, give reason. This can very well be explained on the basis of VSEPR theory, that is valence shell electron repulsion theory, electron pair repulsion theory. According to this theory, the lone pair bond pair repulsion is more than the bond pair repulsion. First point, the lone pair present on the nitrogen atom repels all the nitrogen bond strongly, resulting in the shrinking of the bond angle. Point number 2. Thus, the expected nitrogen bond angle is 109 degree 28 decreases. Fill in the blank question to 107 degree. Third point, the shrinking of the bond angle distorts the tetrahedral geometry. Therefore, ammonia molecule possesses distorted tetrahedral geometry. This is the shape, distorted tetrahedral geometry. This is the 4th point. This is the way to answer it.